Rated E for everyone.
Sega. Welcome to another episode of the Sonic Chronicles Video Insider. This time we'll take a look at some of the environments you'll explore and show you how to get past the many obstacles that stand in your way. The first area will be very familiar to all Sonic fans, the Green Hill Zone. The Green Hill Zone is a lush tropical region complete with palm trees, checkered rock hills, and of course, loop-de-loops. Sonic and friends will also travel to large metropolitan areas such as Central City. Central City is the capital city in Sonic's world. This bustling metropolis is also the home to gun headquarters. The final area that we'll look at is Mystic Ruins. Mystic Ruins was once the majestic home of the ancient Knuckles Echidna clan, but after many centuries it has become little more than a swampland under the legendary Angel Island. While you're out exploring, you'll encounter many obstacles, from boxes blocking your path to a chasm you'll need to fly over. All 11 characters have unique special abilities, some you've never seen before in the Sonic universe, so be sure to get the character with the skills you need to continue on your way. If you don't already have the right character on your team, you can switch them out. To find out all the different movement skills that are available to you, check out the character screen. To get past boxes, you could use Amy's special Pico Pico hammer smashing skill. Some characters, like Tails, have the ability to fly, so to cross chasms you will need a character with this ability. And last but not least, the dash ability enables you to run through dangerous obstacles with supersonic speed. Sonic the Hedgehog is the master of dash. Build your dream team and utilize all the skills available to you, and you'll conquer the mysterious Dark Brotherhood.